All right, what's up? Okay, so yesterday we got the wheels to fit, did some more wet sanding, and was trying to find some stuff I lost. But I had a buddy come through and pull some parts off my RS, and he brought me a little gift in exchange. So I'll show it to you guys real quick. Got some nice black corner markers, which I'm freaking stoked on. And got some clear corners for the bumper and some clear markers for the sides. So that means I have all the lights I need. I have all the lights I need. So sick. One less thing I gotta worry about. My paint seemed to dry up good. Looks nice enough. So we'll get those put on. Ooh, that fucking hurt. Golly, still kind of cold. All right. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing today. Oh, and also somebody told me that if I pull the fogs off this bug-eye bumper, they should fit. So I'm gonna pull these and then try and clean them up because they're pretty rough. So let's get those pulled off and see what it's gonna take to get those looking good again. So it just looks like 3, maybe 4, no, 3, maybe 3 10 mils. So let's try and get those out. Dang, that looks way better. Those fog lights are nasty. All right, well, I think they're gonna work. They look like they line up good. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if they use the same freaking fog light. So yeah, let's get these, they're glass, so I don't know how well they're gonna clean up, but I'm also gonna put yellow tint on them. So hopefully they clean up good. Standing on these and I couldn't help but feel like they were chipped. But I started like scuffing it up and it feels like soft. And then it's got like some heavy clear bra stuff on it. So I think I'm gonna try and heat it up and pull it off. That would be sick if these are like brand new fog lights under this. So we'll see. Okay, we got those all cleaned up. So now we're gonna give them the old vinyl treatment and we'll go from there. Definitely thought that I had more yellow vinyl, but as it turns out, this is tint, like window tint. In window tint. What's in here? More red, more red, more red. Okay, well, okay. Ugh. Did I throw the rest of my yellow film away? I must have. Idiot. Well, maybe I won't be doing the fog lights yellow. All right. Well. What to do here? I mean, they look good. I just kind of wanted them to be yellow. I felt like that would work well. Damn. Don't know where any is. Usually keep it on hand. Well, I guess I got the headlights done, so that's cool. But what in the hell? I guess that answers that pretty much, you know what I mean? One of those things. Hey. All right, well, continue on then. Well, I definitely thought I was filming that, but I wasn't. So this is pretty much, this just shows kind of what it sprays out like. And then it also spits and like, yeah. So I don't know, maybe that kind of helps you visualize why there's so much wet sanding, because it just lays out terrible. I mean, look at that reflection, dude. Oh my good golly. I can't wait till I get a compressor. All right, now that it's elevated, I'm hoping it'll self-level itself a little bit. The car, I mean, the car kind of did that on its own. Just as you can see by how rough that looks, even when it self-levels, it's still bad. So what I'm gonna end up doing, holy jeez, bro. What's going on with your hair? So I am gonna need to wet sand and polish that. But I think I'm just gonna try and do all of the wet sanding by hand, kind of like what I've tried to stick with the rest of the car since I burned through the paint on the trunk. And hopefully I can get it somewhat looking okay. Okay. More wet sanding. And just listen to this. I haven't done anything to this paint other than try to touch it with this 1000 grit sandpaper. New paint should never sound like this, ever. Just get in there. Yeah. 3000 grit. Passenger side done. Driver side done. So now I want to hit it with this. So this is like a foam pad, pretty thick. It's nice and soft, and it's 3000 grit. So now I gotta go over the whole car again with old 3000. We'll keep her rolling. So now we're at the point where we're doing 3000 grit, and you can see how much smoother the finish is now. This was all like super rough. So this was 1000 grit, 3000 grit. You can see some of the shines starting to come back with that 3000. So now we're gonna hit it with 2 different buffing pads, and well, first I got to do the other side with 3000, but once I do that, then I can get this thing buffed so I can start looking good. All right, I think I'm about ready to call it quits for the day. Got all my 3000 done on both sides. Looking good. So that's good to polish tomorrow. But I want to, oh boy, almost dropped that. I want to throw on my fogs and stuff, see what they look like. So let's throw those in real quick. Nailed it! Son of a... Ooh, it's slick. What? What do you mean? What? That's not good. Okay. Well, that's staying there. All right. Do about that? It's all mud right there. Oh boy. Yeah, shout out GK Tech for your awesome angle kit. Sick. Check that out. Oh man, it's been one of those days. So, let's go over what we've done. Pretty much at the beginning of the day, we broke this. Got that moved back down here, and this is over here, blah, blah, blah. Oh, somebody came and pulled a bunch of stuff out of the car this morning. No carpet. Somebody pulled the harness out of it. This thing is getting pretty stripped. So, that's good news. So yeah, that wheel turns that way. And this wheel turns this way. So that's cool. We like that. That's how we like to do things around here. Need to get Chamberlain over here for an alignment, dude. Okay. Car is hopefully done being wet sanded. And got that. Got some lights up front now, which is sick. So yeah, that's gonna sum it up for today, I think. Tomorrow looks pretty good actually. A little 3000 grit. So tomorrow, hopefully I can just buff out the whole car. Put my side skirts on. Put these on. These are gonna be sick, I think. Change the look of the car a lot. Not that you can freaking see what's going on. But yeah, basically it goes on like that. And then we got more lows. Kinda. Just goes along with the side skirts. Hi. That stuff on. Put that stuff on tomorrow too.